If you are wondering how you can change the reason in Steam but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can change the reason in Steam. So make sure to watch the video till the end. First, open the Steam application on your PC. To change your reason, you'll need to use a VPN. Here, we are using Hotspot Shield Basic VPN. Connect your VPN to the desired reason where you want your Steam account to be set. Once connected, follow these steps. Click on your profile name at the top right corner of the Steam window. Select Account Details from the drop-down menu. And you will see an option that says Update Store Country. Click on Update Store Country, and your Steam region will be changed to the region where your VPN is currently connected. Be sure to read any messages that appears, as they may contain important information regarding region changes, and that's how you can change your Steam region. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.